The State of Qatar produces natural gas from the giant North Field through several offshore gas production platforms. Here, the blue color represents raw gas. The raw gas is produced from wells, mixed and sent on shore after the addition of chemicals to protect the pipeline. The gas is transported via a 60-kilometer-long subsea pipeline from the offshore platforms to the liquefied natural gas (LNG) plants in Ras Laffan City. Ras Laffan City is the industrial hub of Qatar, where a third of the world's LNG is produced. The Ras Laffan port is the largest man-made harbour in the world and sees nearly 1,000 LNG ship movements in a year. The LNG plants remove the water, sulfur and LPG in the natural gas. The cleaned gas is then cooled to -160 degrees, at which point the natural gas turns into a colorless liquid. Here, the red color represents the liquefied natural gas. The liquefied natural gas is first stored in special insulated tanks and then transferred to LNG ships for transport to the global markets. As the cold liquefied natural gas comes into contact with the warmer ship tanks, around 1% of the LNG evaporates. The vaporized gas is termed the Jetty boil-off gas, JBOG. Currently, the Jetty boil-off gas is burnt in a flare stack adjacent to each berth. The Jetty boil-off gas recovery project will recover the wasted gas and is designed to reduce Qatar's emissions. Here, the green color represents recovered Jetty boil-off gas. Due for completion in 2014, the Jetty boil-off gas recovery project is one of the largest environmental projects in the world. The project will collect the boil-off gas from each ship berth and bring it to a central location for compression called the Central Compressor Area. The Central Compressor Area takes the gas at virtually atmospheric pressure and compresses it to 47 bar in 3 stages of compression. The compressed gas is then sent to the liquefied natural gas producers of Qatar, Qatar Gas and Ras Gas. The recovered gas will be used as fuel or converted back into liquefied natural gas. The Jetty boil-off gas recovery project will make a significant change by recovering 90% of the flared gas and reducing CO2 emissions, and will recover the equivalent of enough energy to power 300,000 homes.